This doesn't look like an ordinary vehicle. This looks like a luxury apartment that decided to travel the world. Meet the Swift Kon-Tiki 894, one of the most premium motorhomes ever built. Today, we're going to explore every angle, every detail, and every space of this incredible home on wheels. Let's start from the front. The bold Fiat Ducato cab blends perfectly with Swift's aerodynamic body design. Large windshield, sleek headlights, and a commanding road presence. This motorhome looks powerful even when standing still.
From the side, you immediately realize the scale. Nearly 9 meters of pure luxury. Smooth body lines, premium decals, tinted windows, and integrated awning. Every inch is designed for long journeys and comfort.
At the back, the Kon-Tiki 894 offers massive external storage. This garage space can easily fit bikes, camping gear, or even a small scooter. Strong rear design, LED lighting, and practical access points make it perfect for real travel life.
Step inside the driver's cabin. Comfortable captain seats, modern dashboard, large infotainment screen, and excellent visibility. This doesn't feel like driving a big vehicle. It feels controlled, smooth, and premium.
And now, welcome to the heart of the motorhome. The lounge area feels open, bright, and incredibly spacious. Large windows allow natural light to flood in, creating a warm, home-like atmosphere. Plush seating surrounds the dining table, perfect for meals, work, or relaxing evenings. Soft upholstery, premium finishes, and smart space usage turn this area into a true living room on wheels. The kitchen is fully equipped for real cooking. You get a modern hob, oven, large fridge, sink, and plenty of storage cabinets. Every drawer feels solid. Nothing here feels cheap or temporary. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious. A proper shower, toilet, wash basin, and elegant finishes. This is not a compromised bathroom. It's a hotel-style bathroom inside a motorhome. Move towards the rear and you'll find the sleeping area. A comfortable, full-size bed, soft lighting, privacy, and peaceful vibes. This is where travel meets true rest. At night, ambient LED lighting transforms the entire interior. Warm tones, soft reflections, and a calm atmosphere make it feel like a luxury apartment, not a vehicle. The Swift Kon